Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BEAUTLOHAS 25 inches Halloween Graveyard Tombstone Decorations. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Spooky theme party. 5 unique, spooky designs with high-definition printing and a realistic skull rip sign create a spooky atmosphere. All-weather durability. These Halloween gravestones are made of sturdy, weatherproof PP plastic, resistant to damage from wind, rain, and sunlight. They're durable enough to withstand multiple Halloween seasons without fading, blurring, or even warping. Note, these are flat photos, not 3D foam. Premium stakes for easy installation. Includes 10 removable metal stakes and 10 attachable plastic stakes for maximum support. Simply insert the stakes into the ground and secure the headstone in place in seconds for incredibly stable support. No assembly required. Extra large size. This headstone set is sturdy and durable, thicker and larger than any other. It measures 25 inches high and 16.56 inches long, though length varies by style. It ships folded. The metal stakes hold it in place better than any other plastic stakes. Vintage Halloween tombstones. Perfect for creating a cemetery in your front yard. Perfect for spooky settings like yard decorations, Halloween parties, carnivals, mazes, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.